This is Ocean Drive, Miami Beach. Today I want to show you a grease trap we are doing in the alley. Please follow me. So this is the grease trap that I was telling you about when we were in Ocean Drive. Inside this building there is a kitchen. The line comes first into the solid interceptor. This is an SI-75. It continues into the grease interceptor. In this case, this is a GB500B. And from the side, we are taking the line out and getting into the sampling port. From the sampling port on, it goes inside the building to connect to the existing sanitary line. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We can help you with the design and we can help you with the construction as well.